Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the account that owns the games. Do this on the console you will share from. Once signed in, go straight to System Settings and set that console as the account's primary or home console. This allows licenses to be used by other accounts locally. Make sure you briefly connect to the internet to validate licenses. Without that activation, offline play and sharing will not register. This quick validation is essential before continuing. Now add the local user accounts that should access games. Create named users, not guest sessions, because guests can lose persistent permissions. Once added, sign into one of those secondary accounts and check the library. You should be able to see and launch shared titles while the console is online, which confirms license sharing is working. If there's a sharing or offline option in the primary account settings, enable it here. This step ensures the console retains play. Finally, disconnect the console from the internet and test launching shared games using a secondary user. That verifies offline play is enabled. If a game refuses to start, reconnect briefly and reactivate the primary license, because license tokens sometimes expire and need renewal. Once revalidated, try offline again. If issues persist, power cycle the console, ensure system and game updates are installed, and check storage integrity. These last steps clear cached errors and restore proper sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.